guys, good afternoon. Hey guys, na ako'y dragon fruit. Ayan guys. Yan, bihira lang tayo makakain ng dragon fruit guys. Ayan guys, oh. Yan, tikman natin. Sarap guys. Ayan guys, dragon fruit. Bihira lang tayo makakain ito guys. Sarap. Sobrang masustansya to guys.